Seeking vegetarian food. Costa Rica. I was vegetarian for 3 years of my life and found Costa Rica to be very accommodating to this diet. This guide delivers practical tips and insights on the best spots for plant-based dining. Whether it be a tropical fruit-laden dish or a vegetarian twist on a local classic, expect to unveil the simplicity of street eats and the sophistication of restaurant cuisine, all through a vegetarian lens. Eating vegan in Costa Rica. Costa Rican cuisine offers a variety of vegetarian adaptations of traditional dishes like casado and gallo pinto, as well as plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. Vegetarian dining is accessible across key locations in Costa Rica, including vegan and vegetarian restaurants in San Jose, La Fortuna, Monteverde, with international cuisines providing meatless options. Costa Rica caters to special dietary needs with markets and supermarkets, stocking a wide range of fresh produce, gluten-free staples, and vegan alternatives. Exploring the vegetarian landscape of Costa Rica. Costa Rica is renowned for its wide array of vibrant and nutritious vegetarian cuisine, reflecting the lively essence of this beautiful nation. Among the delightful vegetarian options you can savor in Costa Rica are a meat-free version of casado, plant-based gallo pinto, vegetarian street food offerings, crisp, fresh salads. The plentiful tropical fruits and vegetables contribute to a celebration of freshness in every dish. Traditional tico dishes turned vegetarian. Costa Rican cuisine is celebrated for its versatility. The beloved gallo pinto serves as a prime example. This robust concoction marries black beans and rice, seasoned with spices and vegetables, making it an ideal vegetarian-friendly breakfast option that doesn't skimp on taste. For those looking to indulge in traditional fare without meat, the casado can be customized to suit vegetarian palates. This classic dish typically comes accompanied by various sides, including meat, but offers a vegetarian variant brimming with components reminiscent of local rice dishes. Rice, beans, salad, plantains, tortillas, and either pico de gallo or squash. Vegetarians thus have the opportunity to fully experience the heart of Costa Rican culinary culture while savoring its local foods without compromising their dietary preferences. Vegetarian street eats and snacks. Street food lovers visiting Costa Rica are in for a treat. A favorite among the local treats are patacones, which are scrumptious fried green plantain chips known for their simplicity and flavor. Vegetarian-friendly options like veggie burgers can also be enjoyed at places such as Donde Richard, located in Tortuguero. For those with specific dietary preferences, establishments like Restaurante Mi Nio provide an array of vegetarian and vegan choices that include tasty items such as patacones and burritos. Whether you find yourself amidst the lively urban atmosphere of San Jose or exploring more secluded spots, finding delicious vegetarian snacks is effortlessly possible. The freshness of Costa Rican salads. The rich agricultural harvest of Costa Rica is vividly showcased in the country's salads. Fresh ingredients procured locally including pineapples, mangoes, bananas, papayas. These salads add a vibrant tropical flair to the dish. Even more unusual fruits like guanabana, passion fruit, and starfruit can be easily found at nearby markets. This abundance makes salads an attractive option for vegetarians looking for meals that are both light and nourishing. Given this wide array of fresh produce available within reach, it's no wonder that Costa Rica is considered an idyllic retreat for those following a vegetarian lifestyle. Vegetarian-friendly restaurants in key locations. Fortunately, in Costa Rica, the dining landscape is thoroughly prepared to accommodate vegetarians. Whether you're looking for a charming cafe nestled close to La Fortuna's arenal volcano, or hoping to unwind at a quaint restaurant within San Jose's bustling ambiance, or perhaps explore a fashionable eatery in Monteverde, your vegetarian palate is guaranteed satisfaction. San Jose's Veggie Haven. San Jose, known for its multicultural flair, is a sanctuary for those who favor vegetarian dining. The city's eclectic mix of eateries encompasses everything from sushi joints to Italian trattorias, and warmly accommodates various palates. Among the establishments that are particularly accommodating to vegetarians you'll find Arbol de Seda, which prides itself on serving an assortment of dishes drawn from Japanese, Italian, American, and Middle Eastern culinary traditions. Gia Vegan Pastries. Guacamole Sodita. Errante Pani Pizza. For devotees of San Jose's local food scene interested in vegan or vegetarian options. At La Tortilleria de San Jose Centro, simply request your preferred dish sin carne, literally translated as without meat, to savor the local cuisine while adhering to a meat-free diet. La Fortuna's vegan options. Renowned for the imposing arenal volcano, La Fortuna also offers a rich array of vegetarian dishes. The esteemed Rancho Perla is particularly noted for its ample and tasty vegetarian food options, ensuring vegetarians enjoy a pleasant meal. After an adventurous day amidst the scenic beauty of La Fortuna, vegetarians can indulge in a satisfying and robust vegetarian feast to quell their appetite. Monteverde's vegan dining options. The cloud forests of Monteverde and Santa Elena offer a diverse selection of international vegetarian cuisine. Some popular vegetarian restaurants in the area include Taco Taco, which serves delicious battered avocado tacos; Orchid Cafe, known for its healthy salads, toasted paninis, and irresistible cheesecake; Tremonti, offering a variety of vegetarian Italian dishes; Amy's Cuisine, which showcases a range of vegetarian options. These establishments, along with others in the area, demonstrate the rich variety of vegetarian dishes and vegan dishes available in these vegan and vegetarian restaurants. Local markets are perfect for finding vegetables in Costa Rica. In Costa Rica, the ferias or local markets are an absolute delight for those following a vegetarian diet. They provide an extensive selection of fresh fruits and vegetables that are ideal for assembling ingredients necessary for creating vegetarian dishes. Whether you're looking to indulge in unique fruits such as rambutan and passion fruit, or seeking everyday essentials like lettuce and onions, these markets have all the components required to prepare a scrumptious vegetarian meal. Farmers market finds. It's difficult to rival the explosion of sensations at Costa Rican farmers markets. With their dazzling array of hues, alluring scents, and lively atmosphere from active vendors that contribute to an authentic local experience. These bustling marketplaces are treasure troves, featuring a vast selection of indigenous fruits and vegetables such as passion fruit, rambutan, and peach palm fruits. For devotees of organic food seeking fresh produce for vegan dishes or vegetarian recipes, including vegan cheese alternatives, these ingredients serve as ideal components. They exemplify freshness and healthiness, integral to preparing plant-based culinary delights. The Central Market, or Mercado Central, is also a great venue to check out in San Jose. Supermarket strategies. If you're on a quest for particular products, the supermarkets in Costa Rica serve as an excellent source. They boast a selection of produce cultivated within the country, specialized imports, various tofu options, a variety of plant-based milk alternatives, classic local dishes recreated with vegan ingredients. By shopping at these markets, it's possible to adhere to your dietary preferences without missing out on the traditional taste experiences that Costa Rican cuisine has to offer. Vegetarian food beyond beans and rice. Costa Rican cuisine, while grounded in the foundational elements of beans and rice, encompasses a wide range of dishes that highlight its vibrant culinary heritage. Among the standout offerings from Costa Rica's diverse food scene are sopa negra, arroz con palmito, corridas, patacones. To accompany these main courses, you have an assortment of accompaniments such as fresh green salads, creamy potato puree, and hard-boiled eggs to ensure each dining experience is complete and gratifying. Global flavors and local cuisine. Costa Rica offers a diverse range of culinary delights that go beyond its traditional cuisine, presenting vegetarian adaptations of international favorites. These include the robust flavors of Italian pasta dishes, the zestful essence of Indian curries, and the colorful variety found in Thai cooking. For those seeking either the taste of home or an adventurous dining experience, Costa Rica's gastronomic landscape is well equipped to satisfy with its vegetarian offerings. Innovative plant-based eats. In Costa Rica, the culinary landscape is marked by a spirit of innovation that elevates global fare. Vegetarian cuisine takes center stage with imaginative plant-based creations found throughout the nation. Whether it's through savory wraps and sandwiches at city spots such as Mixed in San Jose, or distinctive vegetarian offerings at upscale eateries, food enthusiasts exploring Costa Rica will discover a gastronomic haven brimming with pioneering meat-free dishes. Navigating menus and ingredients, a vegetarian's guide to eating out. Vegetarians may find it difficult to explore food options in a new country due to unfamiliar menus and ingredients. There's no need for concern. We're here to help you out by learning some key Spanish phrases and getting to know the culinary customs of the area. You can fully experience the vibrant gastronomy of Costa Rica without compromising on your vegetarian lifestyle. Essential Spanish phrases for vegetarians. Having a few essential Spanish phrases at your disposal will greatly enhance your experience as a vegetarian in Costa Rica. Announcing soy vegetariano I'm vegetarian and specifying sin carne, without meat, are crucial for conveying your dietary needs. It's important to ask about the preparation of traditional dishes, since they might contain chicken stock or butter despite being labeled as meatless. Equipped with this vocabulary, you'll find it much simpler to peruse and select suitable options from menus throughout Costa Rica. Understanding local cooking practices. Understanding the culinary customs in Costa Rica is crucial when navigating vegetarian options. Numerous classic Costa Rican dishes can be modified for a plant-based diet. Beware of sneaky non-vegetarian ingredients. Seasonings and condiments often have chicken stock or bouillon cubes mixed into them, while butter and milk are staple dairy items included in many traditional recipes. Staying informed about these cooking tendencies allows you to make educated decisions regarding your dietary choices while eating in Costa Rica. Smoothies and more. Costa Rica provides a delightful array of tropical juices and smoothies, alongside tempting desserts suitable for vegans. Whether it's the richly colored fruit blends or succulent vegan coconut confections, there is an option to satisfy all taste buds and dietary choices. Tropical juices and smoothies. Costa Rica's abundance of tropical fruits leads to incredibly invigorating drinks, especially the fresh juices. Imagine enjoying a smoothie blended with freshly picked local fruits that explode with taste. From succulent pineapples to zesty passion fruit. What makes it even better is your ability to tailor the smoothie according to your preference, selecting either a milk or water foundation and enhancing it with additional boosts such as protein powder or chia seeds. If you're seeking a vegan treat, simply request for your smoothie en agua, which translates into having it made in water, providing an exquisite experience without any dairy products. Indulgent vegetarian desserts. Indulging in sugary delights is a breeze in Costa Rica. The classic Costa Rican confection, bolitas de coco, has been reimagined for those following a vegan lifestyle as vegan coconut balls. This dessert consists of ingredients such as vegan butter, vegan condensed milk, finely shredded coconut, vegan graham crackers. These are essential tasting experiences for the sweet tooth aficionado. If your palate leans towards authentic desserts with vegetarian modifications, you can enjoy variants of dishes like arroz con leche designed to suit vegetarians. So feel free to give in to your cravings. Remember, you're enjoying holiday time. Special dietary needs, gluten-free and vegan options. Costa Rica's culinary landscape is not only friendly to vegetarians, but also embraces individuals with specific dietary requirements. If you adhere to a gluten-free diet or are a committed vegan, there's an array of choices available for you. The country offers meals that are inherently gluten-free and boasts restaurants specifically serving vegan fare, guaranteeing that all patrons can partake in Costa Rica's gastronomic pleasures. Gluten-free goodness. Many classic meals from Costa Rica naturally exclude gluten, with key components such as rice, beans, and items made from corn like tortillas being suitable for those steering clear of gluten. These ingredients aren't just free of gluten. They are also rich in nutrients that contribute to a wholesome and fulfilling dining experience. Eateries located in seaside towns such as Tamarindo and Puerto Viejo recognize the need to accommodate those on gluten-free diets. This consideration promises an enjoyable meal out without any concerns about dietary restrictions. Purely vegan ventures. Vegans, rejoice! It's entirely possible to maintain a vegan diet in Costa Rica with minimal difficulty. San Jose offers an assortment of eateries catering to the vegan palate, providing everything from sandwiches and soups to pesto pasta and specialty coffee. For those seeking liquid nourishment, establishments such as Fruity Y Smoothie and Organic Land offer delightful vegan smoothies. To ensure your dining experience aligns with your vegan lifestyle, make sure to articulate your dietary needs clearly. Phrases like soy vegano, I am a vegan, or sin productos de animales, without animal products, will be particularly useful when ordering food at restaurants so you can stick faithfully to eating only plant-based offerings. Summary. As we reach the end of our culinary tour, it's clear that Costa Rica is a paradise for vegetarians. From traditional dishes turned vegetarian to innovative plant-based eats. From vibrant markets to cozy restaurants, Costa Rica offers a diverse and exciting food landscape. So whether you're a seasoned vegetarian or just starting your plant-based journey, Costa Rica is sure to delight your palate and nourish your soul. Frequently asked questions. Is Costa Rica a good place for vegans? Indeed, Costa Rica is an excellent destination for vegans due to the wide variety of plant-based choices found in both local culinary traditions and dedicated establishments such as restaurants and hotels. Vegans can easily locate scrumptious vegan dishes without any hassle. Which country has delicious vegetarian food? Peru is renowned for its flavorful vegetarian food, offering a bounty of delicious dishes that cater to veggie lovers, such as the beloved papa a la huancaina. Can you be vegetarian in Costa Rica? Certainly, maintaining a vegetarian lifestyle in Costa Rica is not only possible, but also enjoyable due to the abundance of delicious plant-derived foods readily available at nearby farmers markets, which offer locally sourced produce. Are there any vegan restaurants in Costa Rica? Certainly in Costa Rica. Particularly within San Jose, you'll find a number of eateries catering specifically to vegan preferences with an assortment of culinary options. These establishments provide a selection that includes soups, sandwiches, finely crafted coffee beverages, and baked goods for your pleasure while visiting.